Hello everybody, look at this video. Let's start the last day of the week. It's Friday and let's see what can we see in the chart and what can we do in today. So we have this levels here. I put forward my flag limits, remained flag limits, and ready to read the market. So we are in, actually we know we are in uptrend in Euro USD, and actually this is not reached to true level, but that origin is cleaned and then goes down to reach to my interested area. Actually from here, this is my interested area for continue long price. So we are in downtrend yet for reach to that level, or maybe this origin wants to be cleaned. We don't sure about that. So after price is engulfs level, making the counter trend activity, and this is my last interest area for going short. I'm waiting for price reach to that, and yet don't reach to here. So you can see this high reach to that level. These two, it's the mouth of Eiffel, is gonna be to work there, and it's gonna be to work here too, but I'm pretty sure about that because this high is made by some things created here and no and we can see here price is moving down. This gotta be to origin of that move and make buy swap of this one. So no, I can't accept this level as good level because in 1 minute 2 we can see price is reached to the middle of that. At least actually this gonna be too right over of only the mouth of that level and don't go to the middle of that. So at least I think price wants to go to here, maybe higher than in these levels, and then goes down, maybe actually go to MPL of that one. It's possible too because we are in counter trend, and actually this one is maybe worked too. So we have to waiting for C reactions for going continue to going short, and we have some way to reach to here, and actually we can find some fake levels, and we going to line with engulfed of these fake levels actually, and then sorry about that, and then going line to reach the levels. So I'm going to that one. This is the last place, this is the last high actually, going back to the level short orders executed, and after that we have this origin here. So I draw this origin. After that move is started going down and put some lines on the higher of that, so maybe we can going to line with C engulf of these levels, and in lowest actually in lower scale of this one we can find some long opportunities to reach to this level. Actually we target this one, so let's find that if it's existed. We can see here this high is reached to the highest level of this flag limit here, and that's MPL absolutely. So it's gonna be worked. Me want to analyze from the lowest engulf, actually lowest low is considered as engulf, and make by some things here. There is no nothing here, but actually this gonna be to back and pick up this actually origin here so it's tell us it can be considered as true engulf, and engulf is complete actually. So after price is starting going up, and when this origin is I created here, price is going up from there, and we can see this origin is a stay remained untouched here. This is gonna be important. This is important here. This going to this low is reached to the lower of that, and actually in here we can see this one makes that low, and it's gonna be true flag limit, and actually swap of that is created here, so it's not good level, and price goes back. I think price don't reach to true FL for going up, and we know this origin, so yeah, actually we know this is engulf, and I think price must be killing origin of that engulf and then reach to the true space for making FO. So actually in today, if price reach to here, make some actions, I can go long maybe, but absolutely because it's engulf, and at engulf it's not very, actually price is going very tricky actions. I can't actually reach put my orders here. I'm waiting for see some actions, and then maybe can go to long. So this is your USD today, and if it's going up without reach that, so I have to finding some wherefore going short to reach the lower demand zones. So we're going to Great Britain pound. We can see after this one is actually get back to that origin, price goes up, reach to the next level here, and we know this is not a good level for making FO as this one, and okay, so after price reach to there, when this one is engulfed, and then price is open to reach that level, and when it's single, price actually have no obstacle in the way to reach that level. So I think about go long, but let's see at higher time frame and analyze higher scale for sure about some things. Price is reached to the MPL of that. I don't think reach to the true level for making FO of this engulf, but maybe it's reach and I've mistake, and maybe this is gonna be to reach here, and this fake level must wants to be work as a great level in this time. So we can't sure about that in that scale, so we have going to downtrend or not yet, but we are in counter trend downtrend actually. At least it's counter trend, maybe this is it's going to be the great actually downtrend to reach making low all-time low again. So actually if when price goes up, this inner is worked. After this going up, this inner of that is worked too, and this gonna be to confirmed as a flag limit here. This origin is stay remained here. This is gonna be worked, swap of some things here, and then price goes up, swap of that is touched or not. No, So price after goes up from there, I think must back to in there. Or if no, not if actually, price is going to their actual last place is stay remain here, and this is important. So I think for now we're in downtrend and price is don't reach to true level for going back to lying. And if that's actually price don't want to go there, that I think price wants to inside of that. But if not, once not going to do, at least actually must to be reached somewhere here. So even we consider this one or this one's here, price have many ways to reach that levels, and we can going short with price for now. So and price is going down from there. Let's see, in 1 hour price is making that all high here reached by this level. The swap of somewhere here is created this one, and it's going to there, so it can be considered as a good area for making short here. I'm waiting for reach here when this one is created, and going down and don't reach to that yet. So if I accept this level, actually the wall of that as interested area inside of this, I have to don't accept this one, and this levels is gonna be two fake levels. So this origin here, like this one and like this one, only make some reaction for us and don't make low again. So I can maybe finding some things here for going long to reach the true level for making F4. After this low is created here, it's made by this one. Actually you can see this level obviously here. This level makes that low, swap of that is created here. So this is gonna be to origin, and swap of that last level makes that low. It's worked as a good level here. Origin of that is worked here. You can see obviously this one is here, so that's origin, that's all. Origin of that ingolf is cleared into scales right over again, and after price goes up, this low is made by this level 2, so the wall of that is created here, and it's gonna be to swap of anything higher scale of this one, making that low. And so when this one is created, and in here price is going up from that, I go 1 minute and see what happened here. So this low is created by this level, absolutely. You can see here this one, the whole price makes that low, so up of that is created this one, in origin of that is worked here, cleared here. Price don't reach to the origin of this move. This gonna be to consider as the last place, long orders executed, and don't back to there. price never back to here. This is gonna be to stay cleaned and untouched here, so it can be important. It can be accept as interested area for making long, and I can imagine this level hold price and making high. So we have to actually examine alternative scenarios. Maybe this one is not there, maybe we have actually missed data here, maybe something else has happened here. So if that's low is gonna be to good level, the origin of that is a little origin here existed here, no important, nothing there, and then price back to there goes up. So my alternative scenario is not working because it's don't back to true level, and it's gonna be accept as interested area. I put my alert here. If is there any alert? No alert here, so I put my alert here, and that's it. Actually the way price is going to reach here is not tradable for me, and that's it. If you can see price is going up from here as continuation pattern, and nothing stay here, but no, not actually. I can see this origin is not worked, some things. I'm waiting for price to reach here for making long, for reach to true level. If actually making structure and making reaction, I have see reactions of price. If I don't see them, I'm waiting for see and other things in later. For now I have give some odds to this level makes that high again, and in Euro USD I'm waiting for something here, that origin of that move too. So let's see what's happening. Gold price make all-time high after another, and don't back to our interested area, and continue going up. So let's see what happened here. After this gonna be to right over that, this is confirmed as FTR, and price goes up from there. So if price wants to go back and then goes up, actually I have this interested area, and but price don't back to there, and when price wants to be here I don't know. So we have analyze in scales, and actually let know about what scales engulf in when price is making corrective. We have to draw some scales for see what happened. So we have this one after price goes up there, the swap of some things here is accepted, this is gonna be to worked, then price goes up in here back to actually the last places are here, it's worked, swap of that, some things makes that low. So after price is reached we have high low, higher high, lower low, continue going up price, so it can be considered as FO in this scale, and I have to draw this one as actually a demand zone in that scale, and price is go up. So let's see what's reached that here. Nowhere in that one, this low is created by this level absolutely, you can see here it's obvious. It's hold this one, and the last, actually we have to consider this one. Swap of that is created here, swap of that is riding over that, so it can be considered as true level and makes that high, so it's not important absolutely, and it can be go to middle of that. This can be confirmed as FO completed here, then price goes up. After price going up from there, don't back to here. So I can find somewhere here. It's gonna be to there, going to 1 minute absolutely for see more details in data. After this level is created here, go back to there. It's gonna be to work absolutely going up, no matter. This is gonna be to accept, this is gonna be to accept it is reached to here absolutely. So this law make by some things here. This one is right over together, but we have this origin here. I have to consider this one because upper of that there is nothing actually created, and I don't accept these ones as something. So it's gonna be to the last demands here. I think price actually must touch that level, then goes up. So I put gold alert here and waiting for reach that for continue long. If don't want to go lower than I reach the another interest area in low. So this is gold, and I'm waiting for see reactions when price reach to there. Then go to USD CHF, like what happened here. After price reach to the highest of some things here, make twice another making reacting, and we are in here now. So let's see, at all in USD CHF we are in reach to the great demand zone here, and then price is back to forward to go up. This is gonna be to reach the swap of that, so it can be actually not we can't be sure about that price is once going up from here, and it's gonna be too worked because we have this level here as interested area. After price goes up, it's stayed untouched here, and I think maybe price is going down from there. And if don't want to price to once go down from there, actually it can be worked for sometimes to reach price to the level for making FO if price wants to go up. So for now, in 1 hour there is a lot of space to price to reach here, and this is here's I think, and anything not stays untouched here, and actually used any orders twice at least. So in that uptrend, after price goes up, I have this one as interested area remained untouched here, and after price goes up there is nothing here, but this one is a second two. After price goes up, leave this pause actually in upper of these levels. It's gonna be too worked maybe after price reach to there, but with the less odds of this level. So for now price reached to that level, and this one is going back to there. This is gonna be worked here, so maybe we can find absolutely we can see these levels not be accepted as true levels, and we can't accept prices going up without going back to at least here. So maybe we can find some short opportunities for reach to lower demand zones as in lower scales actually. So this is gonna be to reach to the left of that, and it can be considered price wants to go down, but not sure about that. We have to see some engulfs in the lower, actually in the downtrend here, if it wants to be started, and for now I can't see any engulf in the way of to going down, so I don't have anything here. And this high is created by, I have to consider lower than this one because anything in there who absolutely engulf, but it's not considered acceptable for me as making down without engulf at least. Actually this high is made by that low, and this low here made by this one actually as a fake level. So these levels here must be engulfed for making sure me to price wants to go down reach to here, or another one is lower than. So there is no opportunity yet for me available. I'm waiting for see what happened, and I don't actually don't get my alert to this one. So go to USD and look what happened. USD reached to that level, waiting for that and making some actions. Let's see in lower, in higher scale, and it's gonna be to middle of that one, and actually it can be accepted as something. But gold USD going up from important demand zone here, and actually we have price is after making that thing of going back to the inner of the wall of that, and it can be makes another high. It can be considered as true FO for this engulf, so we can consider prices going back to uptrend in higher scale, and we have to finding somewhere. So we know this level makes that low, and it's engulfed now, so we have to waiting it's engulfed 2 and engulfed yet, I think, because prices reached the MPL of that, and the origin of this engulf is cleaned 2. So there is no obstacles in the way price wants to go up, and here after price reached to there, we have to find a true FO place for going long with price. So let's sure about some things. When price reach to here as the great area for making FO, this some things makes that low goes up, it's gonna be to reach to some things here it can be accepted as true level or not. It's gonna be to reach to there, and this low here make by some things here absolutely. And we have examine here for making sure about something. I can't see in 1 minute actually, but maybe can see 5 minutes, make sure about some things. So let's look at no available, it's 5 minutes too, so I have to accept it as good FO if actually worked and price goes up, so I have accept this level as good FO here. After price goes up, this gonna be to accepted as the swap of this level makes that low and it's worked going price to up. This one to be accepted as level makes that low and swap of that is remained here, so this gonna be to accepted as interested area for making long. So use the JPY is must back to here for making long again, and it's my interested area for making longs. And you can see obviously the very spaces is remained to price reach the here, and we have to find the last of engulf, and price wants to go back there, so this levels is here is existed, and I'm waiting for engulf, see engulf of these ones, not yet, and this levels reach to that one, and thing remains here in that this is the last fake big level here, and this one is going to be sub of that. What makes that high in lower and higher scale? In middle of that I have to consider this one as a flag limit makes that high in that scale, you can see that. And after that this level is hold price 2 but not reach to true level, so it's gonna be important to engulf this one, and in this level something makes that low here, it's gonna be to confirmed after that, after price going up from there back to the last places actually long orders created, so anything remains here, and in that one from here to here after price goes on go back to there. This gonna be to make that low, swap of that is created here, and inside of that middle of that the inner of that is remained here, so this worked. Price goes up and nothing can visible is here, and price jumps to up. So if price wants to start the counter trend from there, anything is remained here is must be important, so I go to find something in there in 1 minute time frame. There is nothing in there, you can see that price is going up as this level, so this one is made by this high here, and it's gonna be to make by that level, so and here price touch that one, so maybe we can accept this one as killing anything is here. Actually this one is fake level. We are continue rolling price in here for finding somewhere price wants to make counter trend to reach to demand. Actually this is not these levels for making lying. Okay, that one is worked here, and in that level we can accept this one, and actually this swap of price here is, let's see what price reached to there, actually reached to there and worked another time. So I don't have this one absolutely. Price is reached to the last level here. I don't think that origin is touched. Let's see that. Yes, it's touched and price going to there, so it's cleaned too. Not engulfed is seen yet. So after price reach to there, it's gonna be worked, it's going to there, it's going to there, and for now maybe price going up from here, and for here price reach to there, so I have to see here in this origin of that move is cleared and origin of this move not cleared, so we have a great origin here not touched. If see any, and it's gonna be to reach there, but no, this one Tensor scale, apply, and it's going to be here. So in USJPY I don't put alerts here, but I follow that price action and waiting for some things engulf in downtrend, and then maybe can go to short for reach to true levels for making FO and continue price to up. So where is my interested area for going long? I show you this. Here is my interest area for going long. So I'm waiting for see some engulfs in downtrend and see some reactions, because I want to trade counter trend and it's gonna be to some riskier. We don't know when an engulf is finished and price wants to go back there. What you can see, it's can be gonna be worked here, and actually because we are in that and we have some reactions from this big level, this great level here, I can't accept this risk, for I'm going to long from here. So let's see IDUSD what happened. Actually let's spend alert for this one at the last space, makes that high. Actually I want to going short with some odds. I put my alert here when price reaches there, and see what happens when price comes, and maybe make some engulf because C reached to there. So when price reach to here, I want to see how going back to there. So let's ASI. In ASI we can see this is not touched, price don't back to the true level for making some long opportunity to us, and up. So I am still waiting for this level for making line, not another things. And actually, because this one is back to the here, I don't think this one is wants to be worked. We can see the burst. No, this origin here, this one is created here. No, can be considered actually, but with one notice that this low is reached to maybe MPL of that, maybe not. So it can be important. We have to waiting and see some reactions here after price is going down from some engulf. So it can be good place for making alert and then look what can do price here. In USD CAD, price reached to that level, making some low. This swap of it is created but don't reach true level, and this one is back to the origin of that. So we have no engulf in lower of price because this level reached to somewhere here, and it can be considered as long orders is remained here, and it's gonna be to bring that up. So this low, I don't think it's gonna be to reach true level, and I have, if price is going up, I have this level here, but we can see price is going up with many activities, and it can show us actually there nothing is remains here, but I draw my flag limits here. Actually it's gonna be some importance here, and this flag limits I draw that is made by swap of somethings and hold price. So these are for me important, and if I want to go down from here, price wants to go back to the, if that's one considered as engulf, so origin of that must be cleaned. So I can waiting for price to reach here, see some reactions, then make decide to wants to go lower of this or not. New Zealand dollar not reached to that yet, and this is middle of nowhere, and waiting for C reach to somewhere here, important for making decide what happened. So put my alerts here. I'm waiting for C reactions. No alert is ringing, and so let's see what happened and close. That's the week. So EURUSD reached to the level and making some reactions, and it's made by this one. So if in the next week it's going down and engulf some levels here, maybe we can go short. So but for this week, not any trade available here. It's going back to the origin of that move, clear that, so it can be actually it's worked here and then goes down. So in next week, if it's back to level up, reach to somewhere here, it can be go short to reach to our interested area for go long. In gold price is making all-time high again and again, so and going back into theirs and reach to that the last place and worked. If it wants to work, it's same as this one, must to be reached to here and then goes up, but we don't know, and it's not any tradable for now. USD CHF is actually hold price for third time and don't back to my interested area for longs, so let's see what happened next few days. USD JPY is going down, don't back to my interested area for short, and no matter, it reached to somewhere here, so it can be go to actually short again. Maybe you don't want to reach here, but I prefer to waiting for reach here for sometimes when price is here. If leave that space and go down, so I change my mind about that. In Aussie USD, price is reached to that level here and then goes down. It can be maybe go short again, like as euro and pound for here to reach to here. USD CAD is reach to that level and making some reactions. And it can after engulf somewhere here, we can find some things here for go short again. And New Zealand dollar is here, don't reach to this place, and nothing changed for that. So that's it, and thank you for watching me. Let's start it next week again.